Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure both devices are ready and on the same network. This avoids discovery problems. Once done, update the Netflix app and your TV's software, then sign in on your phone. Next, open Netflix, choose what you want to watch, and look for the cast or AirPlay icon. Tap it so your phone searches for the TV. If the TV appears, select it to initiate the connection. This begins streaming from phone to screen immediately. Once you've tapped the icon, decide how you're sending video. Cast for Chromecast and many Android TVs, AirPlay for Apple devices, or HDMI if you prefer a wired connection. Then select your TV from the device list. Make sure to accept any pairing prompts that appear on the TV. After connecting, control play, pause, seek, volume, and subtitles directly from your phone. This keeps your viewing smooth. If you use HDMI, switch the TV input and start playback on the phone. The screen should mirror instantly. To finish, stop casting from the cast or AirPlay icon on your phone or unplug the HDMI cable. Make sure to exit safely so the TV returns to its normal input. Once done, you can tweak audio output or subtitles if something sounds off. If playback stalls or the TV isn't found, restart both phone and TV, rejoin the same Wi-Fi, and relaunch Netflix. This simple restart resolves most problems. If that fails, check that both.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.